Hi dear friends, this is your Gallant IAS and welcome to another session of Job Down series. Today we are going to discuss about the IRNAS, that is Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System. So why this is important for us? Because due to the science and technology under General Studies 3. So before going in deep, let's check why this is in news. So it's because on November 11 this year, India became the fourth country in the world to have its independent regional navigation satellite system, recognized by the International Maritime Organization as a part of the worldwide radio navigation system. So this is a very important fact for your prelims. So please try to jot down. So now let's check what is actually the India's IRNAS. So it is an independent regional navigation satellite system developed by India. So it is designed to provide accurate position information service to assist in the navigation of ships in the Indian Ocean waters. So also you have an idea that the system is based on the Indian Space Research Organization's satellites that are used for navigation. So the IRNAS could replace the US-owned Global Positioning System, that is GPS, in the Indian Ocean, and it extending up to approximately 1,500 km from the Indian boundary. So this area is the primary service area of IRNAS. Also, you should know that IRNAS is a constellation of 7 satellites in space. So out of these, 3 are located in the geostationary orbit over the Indian Ocean, and the other 4 is geosynchronous orbits with the desired inclination and equatorial crossing in the 2 different planes. So unlike GPS, IRNAS is a regional and not a global navigation system. So now the Maritime Safety Committee of the IMO recognized the IRNAS as a component of the worldwide radio navigation system during the recent session held virtually from November 4 to November 11. So that as a component of the worldwide radio navigation system, the Indian navigation system is similarly placed as GPS or the Russian global navigation satellite system. So after the US, Russia and China that have their own navigation systems, India has become the 4th country to have its independent regional navigation system. So next, let's check what is IMO. So IMO is the United Nations specialized agency responsible for the safety and security of shipping and the prevention of marine and atmospheric pollution by ships. So this is a very brief idea about what is actually the IMO. Now let's check the importance of India's own navigation system. So it helped to reduce the over dependence on one system, that is GPS. That's why the IMO had encouraged countries to design their own navigation systems, and also officials said that this is also a significant achievement towards the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. Also, IRNAS is used for ground, aerial and marine navigation, disaster management, mobile phone integration, mapping and visual and voice navigation for drivers, among others. So next, let's discuss who can access this. So this system will be open to all, including security agencies or merchant vessels, including small fishing vessels. So vessels that have transponders installed in them will be tracked by satellites navigation showing accurate position in the Indian Ocean region. According to the official, there are at least 2,500 merchant vessels in the Indian waters that can all use the IRNAS. Also, it can be useful for standard positioning service, that is SPS, for civilian and research and commercial use. Also, it can be used for restricted service for authorized users, example defense. So officials said that IRNAS is a modern and more accurate system of navigation. So this is all about IRNAS, and before going to an end, let's discuss a moral question. So the question is, briefly explain about IRNAS and discuss how it benefits India for better navigation. So try to write an answer based on this question and ensure you are okay with this topic. So this is for today to jot on. Please keep supporting us and thanks for watching.